Mystical poem of Rumi. My soul, why do you tarry so long in the land of exile? Return from this exile. How long will you be dispersed? I sent 100 letters. I signaled 100 ways. Either you do not know the way, or you do not read the letter. If you do not read the letter itself reads you. And if you do not know the way, you are in the grip of Him who knows the way. Return, for in this prison no one knows your worth. Sit not with the stony-hearted, for you are a gem of this mine. You who have escaped from bond of soul, washed your hands of heart and soul, leaped from the snare of the world, return, for you are one of the falcons. You are both water and stream, and are seeking for water. You are both lion and deer, and are better than they. How far is it from you to the soul? Are you more remarkable than the soul? Are you commingled with the soul, or a ray of the beloved? You are the light of the moon in the night, candy and sugar on the lip. Dear Lord, what a person you are. Dear Lord, you are a divine marvel. Every moment you bestow beauty and splendor, and we bestow heart and head and soul. Such a market is very fine. You give and take splendidly. It is of your love to take away the life, of us to die like sugar, to eat poison from your hand, is the very fountain of life.